I'm having a very high. I'm having a very high opinion about my village. Means whenever it's a question of my village or matter of my village comes, I'm having very high opinion, and I don't change my opinion. You may ask any question, आप कोई भी question पूछ सकते हो. And we have a doctor now. He's having a very high opinion about that. Not only he, there are some other people. We have a doctor in our place. हमारे village में एक doctor है. His name is Gunda Bhatta. उसका नाम Gunda Bhatta. This sort of name will come in the South Indian. Okay? And he agrees with me. He agrees means he is also having the same opinion. उसकी भी वही opinion है. He has been to quite a few places. Means he has visited many places also. And no, not England, but not England. But he has not gone to England, but local places he has gone to. If anyone asks him whether he has been there, he says no, Annaya. और अगर कोई पूछता है, he says no, Annaya. Annaya is a respectable word used for the elders. Elders के लिए हम use करते हैं. This is in South Indian language. उनके कन्नड़ में it is a Annaya. I have left that to you. Now this is all everything I have left to you. Means whether you want to see the whether you want to visit the village, whether you want to ask any question, it is up to you. Left to you. Running around like a flea pestered dog. Flea pestered. Flea pestered means troubled by flea. Flea. ये काटने वाले something very flea issue type something like that. Okay. Pestered dog is not for me. ये मेरे लिए नहीं है. And I have been seen a few places in my time. Means I have visited many places in my time. And though as a matter of fact he has seen many, but that doctor he has visited many. उसने बहुत से गए हैं, but I have been to the few places. कुछ स्थानों पर तो मैं भी गया. Now he is talking about the village. यहाँ पर पूरे village के बारे में, what type of village, why it was not mentioned by the cartographer or by the British writers or even our own writers, जो हमारे अपने writers हैं. But the village is very important for the state of Mysore. मैसूर के लिए ये village एक बहुत important है. Whatever importance Mysore is having for the country, हमारे देश के लिए जिसमें मैसूर की जितनी इम्पोर्टेंस है, सेम इम्पोर्टेंस ही हैविंग. एंड ही इज हैविंग ए वेरी हाई ओपिनियन अबाउट द विलेज. इस विलेज के बारे में ही इज हैविंग वेरी हाई ओपिनियन. एंड नॉट ओनली ही, देयर आर मेनी पीपल लाइक ही मेंशन्ड द नेम ऑफ डॉक्टर. एक डॉक्टर गुंडा भट्टा उसका नाम उसने. ओके. We have some mango trees in our village. हमारे village में means you can say the title of the chapter is Ranga's marriage, but we are talking about the village. उसके village के बारे में ही just we are talking. Village mango in our village and come visit us means he is inviting the readers को he is inviting. Okay, you can come and visit us and I'll give you a raw mango. मैं आपको एक raw mango means not ripe, पका हुआ नहीं, कच्चा mango. And from one of them, and don't eat it. उसको just don't take it because just take a bite. If you take a bite, the soreness उसका तो खट्टापन है, that is very मतलब very sure to go straight in your Brahmendra. Brahmendra means the very soft part of the child at the starting. There is one actually thick portion, थोड़ा सा old type होता है, it's very sophisticated. And I once took one such fruit, SI fruit. Now he's giving example. He took once and such fruit home, and the chutney was made out of it. इसमें से चटनी बना ली गई थी. I think you know this one. And all of us ate means all the members of the family, all the family members they ate that. And the cough was suffered from after. Means after that I suffered from a cough. मुझे खांसी हो गई थी. And it was when I went for the cough medicine. Cough medicine means where doctor he went there, and that time doctor told me about the special quality of cough, and then he told me about the special. It means what was the specialty of that food, that village. It is famous for the mango. It is famous for the mango, raw mango. Just as the mango is special, and so is everything else around our village. Means he is telling everything is very special in our village, हमारे village में. It means he is having a very high opinion about the village. अपने वो village के बारे में बहुत ही high opinion है. Okay, so how many participants have joined? 10 only. 10 minus 2, 8. Okay. Yes, he is having very high opinion about the village. Means the village is famous for, it's known for mangoes. It's a very special fruit. And now he's telling, just as the mango is special, so is everything else around our village. We have a creeper growing in the ever so fine water of the village pond. Village pond के fine water में creepers and all बेलें जैसे लता होती हैं, these are growing, and its flowers are a feast to be behold. Behold these flowers, उनके जो फूल होते हैं बहुत ही अच्छे वो देते हैं. Get two leaves from the creepers, or whenever, because normally the people they go for bath in the pond. Pond में हमेशा early in the morning. This was the old tradition actually in India, maximum at the maximum places. जहाँ पर भी in rural area this tradition was there. There used to be a pond. एक pond होता, तालाब होता था. Everyone goes there for bathing. वहाँ पर कोई स्नान करने जाता था. This sort of tradition was going on actually if you talk about 20 to 30 years ago. Okay, but he was having a fine water for the village pond, and his flowers are so feast to behold. मतलब बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं उनके फूल देखने के लिए. And get two leaves from the creepers when you go to the pond for your bath. जब आप बात के लिए वहां पर जाते, get two leaves, वहां से दो पत्ते ले आए, and you will not have to worry about not having leaves on which you serve the afternoon meal. Afternoon meal के लिए means it's acting as a plate, rather than say plate का काम करता. These are very hygienic actually. Normally that's why these things are used in the as a plate. ये इन चीजों को use किया जाता था पहले. And you will say I'm rambling. Rambling means actually talking aimlessly, because whatever he has talked up to this time, it is not according to the title of the chapter. Whatever the title is, Ranga's marriage, and he is explaining the importance of about his village, importance of village, his village rather. I'm rambling. It is always like that when the subject of my our village come up. Then he's telling means I'm having that type of rather than say weakness. When there is a matter of my village comes, I talk like that only. But enough, लेकिन काफी enough है. If anyone would like to visit us, but he's telling, he's inviting the readers. If any of you would like to visit us, अगर आप कोई भी यहाँ पर आना चाहता है, drop me a line. Drop me a means write me a letter. मुझे letter लिख देना. I'll let you know where Hosali is. मैं आपको बताऊंगा Hosali, where this village is, and what things are like here. किस चीज को मतलब यहाँ पर ज्यादा पसंद की जाती है. The best way of getting to know a place is to visit. And if you want to know about the place, अगर आप किसी भी place के बारे में जानना चाहते हो, the better to visit it. वहाँ पर जाकर देखो. And don't you agree? कि आप इससे agree नहीं होते? He's asking the reader से. Means that don't you agree that if you want to know about the village or place, the better you go there, better you visit that place. Place पे आप visit कर ले, that will be fine. Okay. But I'm going to tell you now something that happened 10 years ago. Now he's telling, now let's start the real story. Up to this time, he was telling about only about his village, specialty of village, importance of village, what are the village, what are the things liked by the people in the village. उस गांव में क्या-क्या चीजें लोगों को पसंद. When I'm going to tell you is something that happened 10 years. मतलब जो मैं आप बता रहा हूँ, that happened 10 years ago. 10 years ago when this book was written. When this book was written. 10 years ago. And we don't have many people who knew English. Means the people they did not know English. English नहीं जानते. Then our village accountant was the first one. हमारे village accountant was the first one. He was the first person who had enough courage to send his son to Bangalore to study. उसने Bangalore अपने बेटे को study के लिए भेज दिया था. It is different now. Now the things are different. Now it means absolutely no problem. Everything is connected according to the you can say new modernization and all. All the villages they are connected to the cities, and even all sort of competitive exams and all it can be taken online हो सकते हैं आजकल सारे. Earlier there was a lot of problem. पहले काफी problem. There are many who knew English, but now many people who knew English, and during the holidays you come across them on every street. During holiday and all, you come across many people. आपको बहुत से लोग मिलेंगे talking in English. And those days we did not speak in English. लेकिन उन दिनों we did not speak in English. हम English में नहीं बोलते थे. Nor did we bring an English word while talking. और ना ही हम English word अपने बातों में in Kannada language, because it is the language of Karnataka. In Kannada language we never used English word. आजकल तो even if you talk in Hindi and all, so many English word will come in your spoken part. आपके स्पोकन में बहुत से इंग्लिश वर्ड आते हैं। And what has happened is disgraceful, believe me. What has happened is now what has happened now, अब क्या हुआ है, it is disgraceful, बहुत ही disgraceful, matter of irrespect, डिसोने एक अपमान की बात, insult. Believe me, the other day I was in Rama Rao's house when they bought me a bundle of firewood. Other day when I was in Rama Rao's house, जब मैं रामा राव के घर में था, now he is talking, quoting an example of the people who knew English, जो English जानते थे. I was in Rama Rao's house, रामा राव के घर में था, when they bought a when uh, when they bought a bundle of firewood, Rama Rao's son came out to pay for it. वहाँ पर कोई bundle of firewood means all this firewood जो जलाने की लकड़ी, the bundle came with someone, and the Rama Rao son came and he asked the woman who brought that bundle of firewood, जो firewood लेके आई थी, उसको कहा how much should I pay give you, मतलब आपको कितने पैसे चाहिए, 4 pice, उसने कहा 4 pice, 4 पैसे. She replied. The boy told her that he did not have any change. उसने कहा this is the English sentence he used. He did not have change. उसने कहा change नहीं. Change means actually छुट्टे पैसे जिसको कहते हैं. Asked her to come to the next morning, and he asked her to come to next morning. कि कल आ जाना. Today we do. The poor woman did not understand the English word change. उसको English word change का पता नहीं था. छुट्टे पैसे का पता नहीं था. And went away muttering to herself. Muttering means one sort of complaining, बड़बड़ाते हुए, one sort of complaining, speaking in a very low voice, in a complaining tone, and muttering to herself. I too did not know. मुझे भी उस time I was also knowing the meaning. And later when I went to Ranga's house, जब मैं रंगा के घर गया and asked him how I understand what it meant, how him I understand what it means, कि इसका मतलब क्या है, जब मैं रंगा के and this precious commodity, ये बहुत ही precious valuable commodity, the English language, जो English language है, and was so widespread in our village a decade ago. एक decade was so not so widespread. एक decade means almost 10 years. 10 years means he is talking about when this book was published or when this book was written. जब ये book लिखी गई थी before that 10 years, it was not so widespread. इतनी ज़्यादा spread नहीं. And this was why Ranga's homecoming was a great event. Ranga's homecoming was a great event. Sometimes there may be a question why Ranga's homecoming was a great event. Because that community did not know much English, and the English was not so widespread during that time, this time. Because he was the son, he was the accountant's son, and was only the boy who was sent to Bangalore for higher study or to learn English rather than say. And when he came back, all the people they wanted to know what was the change in Ranga. In Rangas, what change occurred? क्या change हुई? Okay. What change occurred in Ranga after when he came back? And when he came back, asked for the next and asked him understood this priceless commodity, and this was Ranga's homecoming was a great event. People rushed to the doorstep announcing. Announcing means declaring, telling. उसको कहते हुए उसके घर पर आए. The accountant's son has come. It means it was a great event. All the people from the village they came to Ranga's house. The boy who had gone to Bangalore for the studies here, जो Bangalore गया हुआ था, now he has come back, and it seems and some come Ranga here, let's go and have a look. Means it seems come मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि आ गया. And everybody means all the people they started moving towards Ranga's house. रंगा के घर की तरफ सभी ने जाना शुरू कर दिया. Let's go and have a look. आओ उनको जाकर देख. Attracted by the crowd, I too went and stood there in the courtyard. Now the narrator, Shyama Radhakrishnan, and he also went. वो भी वहाँ पर चला गया. And asked why have all the people come? कि ये सारे लोग क्यों आए हैं? There is no performing monkey here. Monkey means कोई बंदर का नाच. Some performance is not being done. यहाँ पर कोई performance तो नहीं हो रही है. A boy, a fellow without any brain said. Without any brain means without thinking. एक boy ने कहा, वैसे ही कहा. Boy said loud enough for everyone to hear, so that everyone could hear. He spoke in a very loud voice, बहुत ही तेज आवाज में. What are you doing here then? बोलता अगर आप नहीं आ रहे फिर आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? And a youngster, immature, एक youngster था, immature. He was not matured enough. Means how to talk to the, how to tackle the situation. इस situation में without any manners, और कोई manner नहीं था, how to talk to the people, लोगों से कैसे बात करें. Thinking that all these things were now the past, now of past, I kept quiet. मैंने सोचा ये सारी चीजें ये matter of past, ये सब बीत चुकी हैं. I kept quiet, मैं भी चुपचाप रहा. I kept quiet, मैं वहां पर चुप रहा. Seeing so many people there, वहां पर बहुत से लोगों को देखकर रंगा came out with a smile on his face. रंगा he came out, वो बाहर आया with a smile on his face. And had we all gone inside, अगर हम सारे अंदर चले जाते, the place could have turned into the place called the Black Hole of Calcutta. Black Hole of Calcutta means very crowded place in Kolkata, very crowded place. And thank God it did not. मतलब भगवान का शुक्र है, it did not happen. Means everybody did not go inside. हर कोई अंदर नहीं था. Not everyone was surprised to see that Ranga was the same as he had been 6 months ago. Ranga वही है जो 6 महीने पहले. It means how much time did he spend there? 6 months. And when he had first left a village, and old lady who was near him, एक old lady जो उसके पास थी, ran her hand over his chest, उसने उसकी chest के ऊपर अपना हाथ घुमाया, and looked into the eyes and said, और उसकी आंखों में देखकर कहा, the Ginevra is still there. Ginevra means that very sacred thread, एक बहुत ही पवित्र धागा जिसको जनेऊ कहते हैं, that it was still there, अभी भी था. And he hasn't lost the caste. It means the tradition, whatever the customs are there in the society, that he has not lost. उसने वो lost नहीं किया. She went away soon after that. Ranga laughed, and she went away. वो वहां से चली गई, and Ranga laughed. Ranga हंसा. Now this was the actually why did the people came? Why did there was so much crowd on the in the Ranga's house too? Because the people they wanted to see whether they are changed or not. Because Ranga he had gone to the he went to the Bangalore for higher study or to study, and after 6 months he returned, and it was a great event in the village because English was not so much widespread, and they wanted to see what was the change in Ranga में क्या change थी, वो देखना चाहते. Once they realized that Ranga still had the same hands, जब उन्होंने realize किया कि रंगा को अभी भी वही with same hands, he did not change anything, कुछ भी change नहीं किया, legs, eyes, nose, the crowd melted away. Melted away means disappeared, melted away, disappeared, like a lump of sugar in a child mouth. जैसे lump of sugar, not lump actually full of full hands, handful of sugar, मुट्ठी भरी मतलब sugar की when you keep in mouth it will be melting, वो पिघल जाती है. Like this, the crowd disappeared. And I continue to stand there. Means the narrator, he was standing there, he was observing everything. And after everyone has gone, I asked, "How are you, Rangappa?" So when everybody is gone, then he started talking to Ranga. Ranga से पूछा, "How are you? कैसे हो? Is there well with you?" Means is everything well? And it was only then the Ranga noticed me. तब रंगा ने मुझे notice किया. He came near me and did a namaskar respectfully, namaskar, not like this, hello and hi. Okay, he namaskar accordingly, and namaskar respectfully, saying, "I am all right with your blessings." आपके आशीर्वाद से मैं बिल्कुल. It means namaskar and all. I think you might have realized this importance of our culture in the corona time, because shaking hand and all now it is not allowed. Just say namaskar from the maintaining the distance. I must draw your attention to the aspects of Ranga's character. Now, according to this one, what was the Ranga's character? I must draw your attention. आपका ध्यान इस पर. He knew when it would be to his advantage to talk to someone. He knew, वो जानता है that when he has to talk to someone, कि कैसे उसने किसी से बात करनी. When he has to talk to someone and rightly assess the people work. And he is rightly assessed means evaluate to find out about the people caliber, capability, uh, and for all his namaskar to me. And as far as his namaskar means what, how did he wished him, जैसे उसने wish किया, he did not do it like any present day boy. Present day means nowadays how the people are they are wishing each other, एक दूसरे को कैसे wish करते हैं, like this he did not do. With his hands up towards the sun, and he puts his hand towards the sun, standing stiff like a pole with a joint, without joint, jerking his body. means nowadays how the people they are wishing each other, means jerking his body, just shaking hand and all, and body and it was either or went or walking stick, yeah, a walking stick or some stick went and all. Nor did he nearly fold his hand, उसने केवल अपने हाथ ही fold नहीं किए, means saying namaskar by folding hands. He bent low to touch my, he bent low to touch my. There is very important actually this is one sort of blessing we are taking from the elders. Not only blessing, you can say the positive energy we are taking when you are touching someone's feet, or जब आप किसी के feet touch करते हो, I think it is just like an electric current when both the these wires are joined together. When the circuit is completed, then only the current starts going. It means when you are touching the feet and when he's putting hand over your head or your body to give you blessing, the positive energy from that particular person it passes into you. That's why many this holy persons and all those sadhu होते हैं, they don't allow people to come near to them, उनके नजदीक आने नहीं चाहते. And I said blessing him and get married soon, means he touched it, may you get married soon, means this is what he blessed. And I said blessing him, and after exchanging a few pleasantries, after exchanging some few words, means few talks about the about here and there, and then he left, और वो वहां से चला गया. Okay, this is all about the this one chapter Ranga's marriage. Up to this time we have covered up to here. Okay, once again I'll try to recap whatever we have covered. Yes, students, you can. Okay, what first in the first part the narrator he tried to explain about the village. What was the village? What was the name of the village? Where it lies? And what was the specialty of the village? Why it is not mentioned in the in the book anywhere? And why the people they don't know about that village? Because he told that it's very important village. Because whatever he has given a comparison between what is the importance of Mysore to the India के लिए मैसूर कितना important है, same importance that village is having in the Mysore state में same importance उसकी village की. That's why he compared it first and then he started explaining about the importance of the village and what are the speciality of the village, liking of the village, what is the tradition of the people of that village, tradition, and even one sweet is also mentioned which is made of coconut in that one, the liked by the people. And then he started means he started talking about this one for complete 2 pages. He has give a description of the village, why, and he was very much worried why the people why the writer they have not mentioned it and why there is no mention of it. And he invited even the readers for that if you want to come, you drop me a line, you write me a letter, I'll tell you how to reach there and where the village exactly where it exists, कहाँ पर ये है. And he also told that if you want to know about the place better you have to visit, आपने visit करना हो. And then he started talking, means up to here he talked about the village and what was the importance, what was the condition of the people during that time, did they knew English. Actually normally in South India the people they knew English they speak English very fluent. But these people they are telling we 10 years ago means when this book was written, जब ये book लिखी गई थी 10 years ago, this was not at all, means they were not using the English word in their own dialogues, their spoken part, in their conversation, and they were talking in their tongue. And then after that he came to the point Ranga's marriage. What was it? Ranga, he was the son of accountant. He was the only boy from the village who was sent to Bangalore for higher study. And when he came back after how much time? After 6 months, when he came back, after 6 months, he was means the many people from the village they came to see him. उसको देखने के लिए बहुत से लोग आए थे. Let's see. Yes, participants. They came to see him. उसको देखने के लिए आए. And it was a big crowd, and the narrator was also standing there. वहाँ पर narrator भी he was also standing. He quoted an example of that one woman who brought firewood because they were not knowing much English. English was not so much spread in that area. उस area में इतनी spread नहीं थी. But nowadays The people they knew English better, and they can be seen during holidays and all speaking in English at the corner of every street and all. हर street के corner पर you can find the people speaking in English. तो वहाँ पर English में बोलते हुए लोगों को मिल जाएंगे. But earlier at that time there was. And then he mentioned now the what type of culture tradition they were having. They try to give they try to wish with holding hand and touching the food. That's why they are telling taking the blessing, not like a modern boy just hello hi and all they say. Okay, this is what. And then in afternoon he met and then he went. Okay, after some talks and all, the narrator he also left. वहां से वो चल दिया था. Okay, up to here we have covered, and we'll continue hopefully, and let's tomorrow will I'll like to see you in the class. Okay, student, I think you must have the information. Okay, okay. Anything, anyone wants to ask anything? Let's see. Yes, if you want to ask anything, you can raise your hand. Hardly 1 or 2 minutes are left. Yes, if you want to ask anything, you can raise your hand. Yes, students, come on, raise your hand if you want to say something. Yes, nothing. Yes, students, if you want to say something, you can see this is the last call. Otherwise, we are going to wind up the meeting. Meeting को wind up करने वाले हैं हम. You can speak if you have got any doubt. किसी को any students openly I am telling. Any students wants to say anything? It is a last and final call. Okay, then have a nice day. Sir, you can wind up the meeting. You can wind up the meeting, sir. You can wind up the meeting, sir. Participants are still there. Yes, students, come on. Students, okay, have a nice day. See you in the classroom tomorrow. Wind up the meetings. Come on.